Welcome. In front of me is a SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from there scroll down to storage. There it is. And then scroll down a little bit below till you see erase SD card right here. And you get a warning message that you will lose all data on the card. Stop on erase and then erase everything. You'll get a progression, and soon after it should be complete. And there it is. The SD card has been erased. So that is how you perform this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.